Mixed number or improper fractions. In this video, let's see how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions and vice versa. Mixed numbers are numbers that combine a whole number and a fraction. Improper fractions are those where the numerator is larger than the denominator. For example, 4 and 2 over 3 is a mixed number. 4 is the whole number and 2 over 3 is the fractional part. To convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, you have to multiply the whole number by the fraction's denominator and add the fraction to the result. In the mixed number, the whole number is 4, and the denominator of the fractional part is 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. Now, let's add the fraction to 12. It will be 14 over 3. 4 and 2 over 3 equals 14 over 3. 14 over 3 is an improper fraction, as the numerator is larger than the denominator. Now, let's see how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. To convert an improper fraction to a mixed number, you can follow a three-step method. Divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient becomes the whole number. The remainder becomes the numerator of the fraction, and the denominator stays the same. Let's see an example. 13 over 4. Let's do the first step of dividing the numerator by the denominator. When 13 is divided by 4, 3 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. The quotient becomes the whole number. The remainder becomes the numerator of the fraction, and the denominator stays the same. The mixed fraction will be 3 and 1 over 4. 13 over 4 equals 3 and 1 over 4.